Stop what you're doing and think. How many times have you lost a killer candidate just because they didn't have that exact degree on their resume? How many times have you sifted through piles of CVs, all promising the same degree, the same pedigree, but zero real proof they can actually get shit done? That frustration, that anger, that feeling that the system itself is broken is exactly what we're talking about. Because here's the ugly truth. The world keeps selling this outdated notion that a fancy degree equals competence. That piece of paper is supposed to guarantee skill, potential, worth, but it doesn't. Not anymore. You're a founder, an investor, a leader. People depend on your decisions. And yet, the pool you pull from often feels shallow, stale, and honestly, unfair. You see people who could move mountains, build the next big thing, crash through any problem. But because they skipped the traditional route, they're filtered out before you even meet them. Meanwhile, candidates with the right degree show up, but sometimes they don't have the guts, the grit, or the skills to deliver. It's maddening, it's expensive, and worst of all, it's holding you and your company back. You're stuck investing time and money in hoops instead of real talent. This is exactly why skill-based hiring is flipping the old system on its head, because it's not just a trend, it's a survival tactic. The skill set, the actual ability to perform, to adapt, to learn fast without a manual, that's what wins now. You can't afford to be picky about credentials and lose out on the next innovator just because they didn't follow the old certificate checklist. So here's the deal. Stop hiring for degrees and start testing for skills. Real, measurable skills. You don't need a 4-year paper to know if someone can code, sell, build, or lead. Challenge your candidates with concrete problems, real tasks, simulations that show you exactly what they can do, not what they claim. Forget long, boring interviews full of resume walks. Build assessments that freaking mimic your work environment. Dive into project-based hiring. Get candidates to show you how they tackle problems you really face. And don't just stop at technical skills. Grip into how they think, how they solve ambiguity, how they move when everything's uncertain. Those things don't come with a diploma. They come from grit and experience. And those are the people who make the difference. More than that, dismantle the idea that your company culture is only for shots on paper people. Open that door wide to folks who've learned the hard way, who've got scars from real battles fought outside classrooms or boarding schools. Skill-based hiring clears space for folks with unconventional backgrounds, diverse paths, and fresh perspectives. And diversity of thought? That's the secret sauce for innovation and resilience. If you're still clinging to degrees as a gatekeeper, you're closing your eyes to the full range of possibilities, and that's a luxury you cannot afford. Now listen carefully. This shift demands brutal clarity from you. You have to be ruthless about what skills truly power your business's growth and ditch everything irrelevant. Prioritize what impacts your core outcomes, not what looks good on paper. Train your teams to look beyond the usual boxes. Teach recruiters to identify signals of ability hidden in unexpected places. And here's a real kicker. Build continuous learning into the DNA of your company. Skill gaps are not failures, they're chances. People grow, they adapt. If you lock talent behind outdated bars, you're locking yourself out of success. The truth? Companies that embrace skill-first hiring aren't just tweaking processes, they're rewriting the rules. They're tapping into talent the system ignored, unlocking creativity from places you never imagined. They create teams hungry to learn, improvise, and push boundaries, not just people who tick off checkboxes. If you want to build something that lasts, something bigger than the noise, you can't afford to keep betting on relics of the past. You hold the power right now to change everything. Stop falling for the old stories about degrees and pedigree. Measure skill, trust results, value hustle over history. Tear down the gatekeepers that block raw talent and build your crew from those who prove they can run the race, not those who just finished school. If you don't, someone else will, and they'll blow past you while you're still stuck in the past. This isn't just hiring. This is how you win the future. So act right now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.